To succeed in our own business, we need 3 critical skills: the ability to master our time, to clone ourselves, and to be persuasive. Time. Follow this mantra. I can't do everything on this list every day, but I can do the most important thing. Each day, decide the number 1 priority for your business and complete that. Then start number 2, and so on. Delegation. We must get leverage through our team. Don't fluff the delegation process because you are clueless on how to do it. Have a meeting with the delegate where you explain the task in terms of how this is designed to help them grow and succeed in the business. Talk in terms of their interests, not yours. Inspire. Investors, potential new staff, valuable existing staff, clients, all need your persuasive ability to impress and keep them happy. If you are an unclear, unimpressive speaker, it is hard to get people to believe in you and follow you. You will never work it out on your own. Get the necessary speaking training, master time, grow the leverage throughout your team, and learn how to inspire people. Get onto it.